Okay, let's just dive right into this. Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we are taking complete, absolute control of your transit expenses. If you use public transportation in New York City, you've probably noticed that the old, trusty Swipe and Go Metro card is stepping aside. It's making way for a shiny new system called Omny. But, with new technology always comes a bit of a learning curve. And the absolute biggest question on every single commuter's mind is simply, how much money do I actually have left on this thing? Well, today we're going to master exactly how to check your Omni card balance online, entirely for free, and we'll unlock a ton of incredibly useful account features along the way.
Picture this for a second, right? It's a Monday morning, you're rushing to catch your train for work, or, I don't know, maybe you're visiting the city with your family, you're juggling bags, and you're just trying to get to the airport. You confidently step up to the turnstile, tap your card, and boom. Insufficient funds. The gates just stay locked. You kind of have to do that awkward step back, the people behind you let out a collective sigh, and your stress levels absolutely spike. We have all been there. It's a completely universal anxiety. So many riders experience this unnecessary stress, missed rides, and unexpected travel interruptions simply because they just don't know their remaining transit balance. But honestly, it doesn't have to be this way. By checking your Omni balance online, you can stay prepared, avoid those nasty surprises, and just confidently manage your transportation expenses.
So here is our quick roadmap for today. Number 1, we'll meet the Omni system. 2, setting up your online access. 3, checking your balance for free. 4, managing your transit funds. And finally, number 5, troubleshooting and account security.
Let's start with Section 1, Meet Your Omni System, the future of NYC transit.
So Omni actually stands for One Metro New York. It's a fully contactless fare payment system. Now here's where it gets really fascinating. Unlike the old Metro cards where your money was literally physically stored on a magnetic stripe on the card itself, Omni operates as an account-based system. Whether you're using a physical Omni card you bought at a local store, a digital wallet on your smartphone, or just tapping your contactless bank card, these devices don't actually hold your money. Instead, think of them as acting like secure digital tokens. When you tap, they use RFID technology to securely communicate with a centralized cloud database that holds your transit profile. It's way faster, it's significantly more secure, and it's practically immune to those annoying "please swipe again" reader errors.
And the best part? You can use this technology almost everywhere. The Omni network is massive. It's accepted across all MTA subways and local buses, the Staten Island Railway, the Roosevelt Island Tram, and yes, even the air train to JFK. So if you're taking the family on a vacation, you can quite literally tap your way from your neighborhood all the way to your airport terminal. Plus, reduced fare riders, students, and Access a Ride paratransit users are also being integrated right into this amazing tap-and-go system.
Now, if you don't really want to use your personal credit card or smartphone at the turnstile, no problem at all. You can just buy a physical Omni card at retail locations, places like CVS, Walgreens, or 7-Eleven. When you get to the register, the card costs $5 upfront. And here is a really great little detail. A $4 travel credit is automatically applied directly to your account. So essentially, the physical plastic card is only really costing you a single dollar. Moving right along to Section 2, setting up online access, shielding your transit funds. Creating your free Omni account is your very first step to total commuter freedom. You'll want to open up your web browser and head over to omny.info. Actually, a quick word of warning here, directly from the source material, the Omni system is a modern platform, so it's not optimized for legacy browsers. So Internet Explorer, yeah, that's not going to work here. Be sure to use Google Chrome, Apple Safari, or Microsoft Edge. Just click register right there on the homepage, punch in a valid email address, and create your password. You'll get a quick verification link sent straight to your inbox. Click that, and boom, your digital transit hub is officially active. Now, you might notice when you're signing up that the password requirements are, pretty strict. You're going to need uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and specific special characters. You might be wondering, why so complex? Well, because your Omni account isn't just some throwaway social media login. It manages real financial data, pre-tax commuter benefits, and bank pre-authorizations. The MTA intentionally enforces these strict parameters to keep your profile totally safe and secure from any unauthorized access. Once you're finally logged in, it's time to link your physical card so the system actually knows whose balance it's tracking. Just navigate over to the wallet page on your dashboard. Click Add Travel Card and select the option for an Omni card. You'll need to physically flip your card over. Look for that super long 18-digit serial number printed on the back. Type that in really carefully. Then, right next to it, find the 3-digit security code, also known as the CVV, and enter that as well. Hit save, and there you go. Your card is digitally tethered to your secure profile.
All right, Section 3, checking your balance free, stored value, and trip history.
So, whether you are logging in from your desktop computer at home or you're just looking at your smartphone browser while walking down the stairs to the subway, navigating to your Wallet tab instantly shows your active stored value. Notice how your exact dollar amount is displayed front and center in nice bright green text. This is exactly what you want to check before you head to the station. If this number is higher than the $2.90 fare, you are 100% guaranteed to get a green go at the turnstile. Now, this is absolutely crucial. It's all about how you choose to check this balance. Technically speaking, the MTA does provide an unauthenticated lookup tool on their website where you can type in your card info without logging in. But I highly advise against relying on this. The unauthenticated tool only shows you a log of your last 7 days of trips. It does not show you a direct real-time balance readout. You would literally have to grab a calculator, try to remember your last reload amount, and manually subtract every single $2.90 charge just to figure out what you have left. By taking 3 minutes to register a free account, you completely bypass all that friction, instantly see your exact balance, and you even gain access to a full year of trip history.
Section 4, managing your transit funds, auto reloads, and fare caps.
Okay, let's talk about fare capping. This is quite literally a game changer and one of the greatest benefits of the entire Omny system. It works exactly like this. If you pay for 12 rides in a 7-day period, every single additional ride you take within that week is completely 100% free. But there is a golden rule you must remember to make this work. You have to use the exact same payment method for every single tap. If you tap your physical Omny card on Monday, but then you use Apple Pay on your iPhone on Tuesday, the system sees those as two completely separate passengers. So just be consistent, stick to one device or card, and let those free rides roll right in. Inside that registered account of yours, under the balance history ledger, you can see this beautifully itemized list of every single trip. You'll see the date, the $2.90 deductions for your paid trips, and you'll also clearly see when a transfer or a fare-capped ride rings up as $0. Having this level of detail right at your fingertips is incredibly empowering, right? Especially if you're trying to manage a travel budget for an entire family. Plus, right from this dashboard, you can set up an auto reload feature. You basically tell the system, hey, whenever my balance drops below $10, automatically pull $20 from my debit card. You set it, you forget it, and you literally never have to stand online at a ticketing machine ever again.
Let's look at Section 5, troubleshooting and account security, solving common Omny issues. So the number one question new Omny users always have is about delayed or multiple charges. This happens because of a technical term called asynchronous processing. I know, it sounds like crazy tech jargon, but it's actually pretty simple. When you tap at the turnstile, the machine wants to get you through as fast as humanly possible to prevent a traffic jam, right? It quickly reads your secure token, flashes go, and unlocks the gate immediately. However, the actual billing process is happening in the background, communicating with your bank. Because of this speed difference, your bank might place a temporary pending hold on your account, which can kind of look like a charge. Then, 1 or 2 days later, the final math is calculated, any free transfers are applied, and the correct charge officially clears. So long story short, if you see a weird pending charge immediately after writing, do not panic. Just give it a day or two to settle in your trip history. All right, here's your absolute ultimate troubleshooting cheat sheet. If you ever lose your physical Omny card, don't worry, your money is not lost with it. Because you registered your account, you simply log in and freeze the card, instantly protecting your funds from being used by anyone else. If you see a completely unknown charge that is fully cleared, check your trip history online to investigate it. And listen, if you're ever locked out of your account or maybe you just need a real human being to help you untangle a problem, the Omny customer service lifeline is incredibly robust. You can call them at 877-789-6669. That number is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and they can help you reset passwords, recover accounts, or dispute charges. So let's bring it all together. The fastest, easiest, and absolutely most reliable way to check your Omny card balance online for free is by creating a registered account at omny.info. By taking just a few minutes to link your card, you completely eliminate the stress of the unknown. You protect your hard-earned transit funds, you track your progress toward those sweet free rides, and you ensure that every single time you step up to that turnstile, the gate is going to open for you. Master your commute, stay prepared, and ride with confidence.
As a quick wrap-up, please note that this explainer is intended for educational and informational purposes only. Transit systems, websites, payment methods, account features, fare policies, fees, and procedures can and do change over time. You should always verify current information through official Omny and MTA Transit Authority resources before making any decisions based on the info presented here. But honestly, now that you hold the keys to a completely frictionless commute, how much time and money will you save on your very next ride? Keep learning, keep exploring, and safe travels out there.